Hello everyone, welcome back to Break Rules Not Nails. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created these baby blue and white 3D rose nails. So let's get started. For this look I have used a pale blue gel polish, an opaque white polish and a no wipe matte top coat. I have also used a dotting tool, this 3D rose nail art mould, a small square nail art brush, some brush on nail glue, and finally a metal cuticle tool. So to start off, I'm applying my first coat of blue polish to all the nails, making sure I've got a nice even coat on every nail, and when I'm happy with the coverage, I'll go ahead and cure it under my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Then I repeat the process again for the second coat, ensuring a nice even opaque colour, and pop it back under the lamp for another 60 seconds. Once that's cured, I'm going all over all the nails with my matte top coat, then curing under the lamp again. So now it's time to create the 3D roses. To do this, I'm mixing my white polish and my matte top coat together, so the roses are matte to match the nails. Then I'm taking it on my brush and filling in the second largest rose in the 3D nail mould. I'm carefully filling in all the petals and making sure to push the brush down into the mould to remove any air bubbles. Then, before curing, I'm taking my cuticle pusher tool and just pushing back any of the polish that is spilled out of the mould. To cure the rose, I put it in this way up under the lamp for 60 seconds, then flip the mould over and cure again for a further 60 seconds. Now you can remove it from the mould and check you're happy with it. And adhere it to the nail, and I apply a thin layer of glue where I want to place it, then push it down onto the nail for a few seconds. Now I repeat the same process again with the smaller roses, placing them further down on the nail. next nail, I'm using the largest rose and placing it right at the top. Then I add 3 more of the smallest roses underneath. To finish these nails, I take a clean nail art brush and dip it into my matte top coat and paint around the roses. This helps seal the roses in and removes any shine left behind from the glue. Then I cure them for 60 seconds. To finish the look, I'm taking some white polish on my dotting tool and creating spots down the nail. I'm just dipping it into the polish once, so as I add the spots they get smaller and smaller towards the tip. Then I cure it for the final time under the lamp. So here is the final look. I'm really pleased with how they've turned out. I think they're really beautiful and interesting, but not too over the top. I'd love to know what you think, so let me know down below in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos just like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.